Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on the CLK we are going to show you how to install the wind blocker, that windscreen that it comes with on convertible. Of course you need to have the top down for that purpose. And you can see that's how it goes. Okay, you can see the hooks are like that. Okay, and they go in here. Okay, until it clicks on the other side as well, just like that. Make sure it's like that. Now let me move the seat so you can see a little bit better. You need to pull that curtain from the bottom. Okay, you need to pull it and you need to connect it to this one right here. Okay, just like that. The next step that we need to do, there is another piece that we pull, and it's important how we install this one. You get it on one side first and then, okay, watch now. You can slide it all the way, put it here and return it. And you have the windscreen installed just like that. You can see, not very complicated guys, it takes less than a minute to do it. So we just wanted to share that. If some of you are wondering how to do that, we might even have one for sale soon. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.